Okay, so today we are doing a pre-finished black glass door. Nice little voice break there. This is probably the hardest type of door to do because it's glass, obviously. Not just because of the weight, but because when you're cutting out for your lock, you've got to make sure that when you're drilling out, you're not hitting the glass, obviously. So this will be fun. So we're just going to double check now. Squeaky bum time. The lovely client as well. She couldn't find the black lock to fit that was slimline, so she's spray painted it. Maybe the side will be better. She's done a fantastic job of that. Look at that. There's always a solution. Always a solution. Always double check your sizes. Right, that's the easy bit done, the hinges. Now's the bit that I'm shitting myself for, the lock. So this is the lock that's going in. She wants to have an actual mortise on it as well, so she can lock this door for security reasons. So this is 64mm, right? And this rebate is 80, which gives us 16mm, yeah? And the glass is rebated into this frame 10mm. Now I know that's a lot of numbers, but basically means I'm working with 6mm. I haven't got nothing to show you what 6mm is. Oh, my microphone. Each one of them notches is 1mm. It's not a lot, basically. It's not a lot. There we go. Pre-finished black door with glass. Ugh, all finished.